Wonder Sprouts, where fun meets learning.
Hello, explorers. Welcome to Animal Trivia Level 2. In this game, we'll test how much you know about the amazing animals and habitats of our world. I'll ask 15 questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to answer each. Ready? Let's jump into the wild. Which animal has the most powerful bite force of any living mammal? Options A. Lion, B. Hippopotamus, C. Tiger. The correct answer is option B. Hippopotamus. Which animal is known to use tools to open food? Options A. Dolphin, B. Shark, C. Otter. The correct answer is option C. Otter. Which mammal is known to lay eggs? Options A. Bat, B. Platypus, C. Kangaroo. The correct answer is option B. Platypus. Which animal sleeps the most per day? Options A. Elephant, B. Sloth, C. Panda. The correct answer is option B. Sloth. How many humps does a dromedary camel have? Options A1, B2, C3. The correct answer is option A1. Which creature uses a shell as a home? Options A. Lobster, B. Crab, C. Hermit crab. The correct answer is option C. Hermit crab. What do koalas mainly eat? Options A. Bamboo, B. Eucalyptus leaves, C. Grass. The correct answer is option B. Eucalyptus leaves. Which animal is famous for living in dams it builds? Options A. Otter, B. Beaver, C. Fish. The correct answer is option B. Beaver. Which animal has the longest migration? Options A. Salmon, B. Monarch butterfly, C. Humpback whale. The correct answer is option C. Humpback whale. Which animal can sleep while standing up? Options A. Horse, B. Cow, C. Dog. The correct answer is option A. Horse. Which bird lays the largest egg? Options A. Ostrich, B. Eagle, C. Penguin. The correct answer is option A. Ostrich. What animal can live both on land and water? Options A. Snake, B. Crocodile, C. Frog. The correct answer is option C. Frog. Which ocean creature is known for changing colors? Options A. Shark, B. Octopus, C. Dolphin. The correct answer is option B, octopus. What animal can regrow its tail? Options: A, lizard, B, snake, C, crocodile. The correct answer is option A, lizard. Which animal is famous for its black and white fur pattern and lives in bamboo forests? Options: A, tiger, B, panda, C, zebra. The correct answer is option B, panda. Wow, amazing job! You've completed level 2 and showed some awesome knowledge about animals and nature. Are you ready for level 3?
How did you do? 10 plus points. You're an animal expert. 5 and 9 points. You're a nature explorer. Below 5 points. Great start. Keep learning. Share your score in the comments.
Level 3 is just a click away and full of new animals and fun facts. Want to keep exploring the animal kingdom with us? Hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss a new quiz or adventure. And don't forget to ring the notification bell.